Next month, Oklahomans with severe asthma insured with Blue Cross Blue Shield Oklahoma may have to give themselves life-saving shots at home. That's after a policy change. And right now, patients can go to their doctor's office to get it done if they choose. But as News 4's Caitlin Ogle reports, doctors and advocacy groups are worried about the shift, fearing profits is the driving force behind the change.
Yeah, this is what they do. They do this all the time.
Dr. Dean Atkinson treats asthma patients. Most need inhalers, but a small number need a shot, likely from these medications. They're FDA approved for self-administration, but some patients want to go to a doctor's office for several reasons. They may have an allergic reaction or forget to take it.
It may be every 1 to 2 weeks or 4 weeks. It makes their asthma exacerbate, makes it worsen.
Some have trouble properly storing it.
Because if they're not refrigerated properly, they will deteriorate.
On April 15th, Blue Cross Blue Shield of Oklahoma is changing its policies on these medications, saying it will, quote, review the medical necessity of administering drugs in a healthcare setting when they could appropriately be self-administered. In a statement to News 4, the insurance company saying in part, quote, that it's promoting access to treatment that is convenient and effective. It does not impact Medicare or Medicaid. You can appeal a rejection with documentation.
It can be a nightmare.
Brad Travers is with the Infusion Providers Alliance, advocating for companies that treat patients with asthma.
Yet another example of, the insurance companies taking away choice and driving a wedge between the physician and the patient. It's really a money issue.
The Alliance says BCBS Oklahoma makes more money when patients give themselves the shot, saying when physicians administer these injections, HCSC, the parent company of BCBS Oklahoma, doesn't profit. But when patients are forced to inject themselves, the insurer can steer them to Accredo, a specialty pharmacy with financial ties to HCSC.
They benefit financially every time these drugs are shipped.
Dr. Atkinson agrees.
They move it out of their medical benefit into their pharmaceutical benefit, which means that they'll basically make more money.
Do you think that's fair?
And it's trying to take control, making the insurance company the one that's in control of.
Both Travers and Atkinson believe policy changes won't just stop at asthma injections.
There's always more to come.
In Oklahoma City, Caitlin Ogle, Oklahoma's News 4.
Caitlin, good work. Thank you. We've been asking Blue Cross Blue Shield of Oklahoma for an interview since Monday morning, emailing back and forth, specifically about the profits discussion. They didn't address that. Instead, we were sent this additional statement saying in part, quote, there's not one singular pharmacy benefit manager that is, or specialty pharmacy that would be used by all members eligible for self-administration of these asthma medications. When asked, the Alliance and asthma clinics say this change would impact their profits only slightly.